talk.
We chill.
We're chill here. I'm chill.
We chill,
All of
bro.
us are chill, right?
We chill, bro. Chill. Calm down. Oh, he's not chill. He's not chill.
Green?
Yo, we chill.
Hey, bro, you're on my team, right?
Yeah, babe.
Yeah, we can be chill.
Yeah, we can be chill. Just watch
I
out
need
for
help,
CJJ.
though.
Oh, that was him. I thought that was CJJ.
Hey, bro.
Oh, nah, he's not gonna go in. Come on, team.
This kid is cheating.
No, he isn't.
Woo! Nobody can cheat in this game.
Yeah, but it isn't cheating.
Here's that over.
Dude, why? I'm not trying to kill y'all.
Once he gets into a more spot, oh, go.
Yo, please.
Yo, I've never tried this out. Can I try it on somebody?
No.
Oh,
Then you're just gonna get a free kill.
Hey, sir, can I talk to you right quick?
I can chill.
Everywhere I go, I'm chill.
He's on me.
Okay, you're chill. I'm chill.
I could kill him by myself.
With the sniper.
Hey, yo,
I could kill CJJ pretty clean. Holy moly! 4 and 5. 5 people coming out at once. That's cute.
I'm chill. Why did he freaking kill me, bro?
What the heck?
Nope, he's still here.
Bro.
That'll suck if you
Yeah.
can.
I don't like this game.
Oh shoot, this is actually kind of good. CJ, I see what you mean. Like how the sniper's correct, bro.
Shut up, Blue.
Sniper is crap. They made CJ overpowered, bro.
Sniper's just being sniper.
Got him. Back of the head.
Hey, bro. Hey, what's up, bro?
Hi.
Hey, where'd you get that gun? Where'd you get that gun? Where'd you get that gun skin?
I bought it from the shop.
Ah! Oh my.
Oh look, CJJ's right there.
Oh my god,
Got him.
It's actually him.
Yep,
Who shot me?
shot him.
That's crazy. Let's get him, bro.
You can shoot that. What up?
Let's get it.
Oh, he's
Crazy, who's having the best? Sniper.
there. He is. Yo, purple, get out of my way.
Alright, fine. I'm leaving. Fine.
Yo, got him. I got him. No, so sick shot I did right there on him.
You want to together? You want to together and kill 2 snipers?
Freak you, Happy. I hate you. Yeah, help me, other sniper. Thank you.
Hold up,
Hey,
I
you on
gotta-
the team?
I'm with you.
Hey.
I'm part of the chill gang.
You part of the chill game.
Hey, you. You with the sniper? Oh, they got with the sniper. Chill? Bro. Monkey, I thought we were chill.
Who's the other kid? Not me.
Hey, move.
Oh, that house? Who's the other kid, bro?
He wrote Sheen.
What are you doing?
Did he die?
No.
Bro, you're not even
man.
good, bro. Like, bro, I only trust pink, bro.
Yummy.
Hold up, let me get in this spot.
Me, purple?
Hi.
Pop up on me because I'm probably finna shoot you.
I'll show you.
And I got a
Purple.
sniper.
Purple.
Yo,
Come here. You killed me.
No,
No, it was pink.
Got you, buddy.
kill me. I'm not
Head snipe.
I'm not here to harm.
Bro, it was blue.
Chill. I like you.
I'm not here to harm. I'm not here to harm. Big bro, I'm not here to harm.
But I'll let you go.
Oh, I know where.
No, maybe.
I already have a sniper.
Chill. Set the green down.
Did he run?
I got you.
Oh, dang.
Hi.
Who's that?
Hold up, fam. Oh, that's where y'all want it. Watch out behind you. Please don't shoot me.
Yo, I'm chill.
Yeah. Hey, monkey, I'm gonna land on you.
Bro, the lightsabers are confusing me. I keep on thinking those are leader
There's a sniper
lightsabers.
right here.
Get out of here.
Oh, there he is.
Where's the
Check and
real?
get more.
I'm
I
watching
got
blue.
him. It died.
Dude, run.
I got popcorn.
He's in there.
Hey, bro.
Leave him alone.
I'm at the party. Look, he's so mad. Look, he's so mad. The other kid got so mad.
Do you like SpongeBob? Do you like the SpongeBob movie? Do
I think I missed
you
that.
like the SpongeBob? Do you like the SpongeBob?
Not really.
Wait, Billy. This is serious apology for killing my friend.
Oh,
Yo,
good.
he got lucky and missed those shots.
I did not
I can shoot him
miss
though.
it.
Oh, I just gotta hope it's that. No one took them. They took it all. I already ate. What?
Oh, it's not you,
How
not you.
later?
Somebody else. Somebody else.
Hey, Monkey, where you at? There's Monkey.
Chill,
That's
chill,
me.
chill,
Oh, that's not
chill.
Monkey. Hey,
Chill. We cool.
Alright, you wanna make a group?
Yeah,
I got a sniper.
let's make a group. Let's make a
Who
group.
wants the team? Who wants the team?
This guy?
Hey, you chill.
Come here. Okay, if you shoot us, though. There's a guy behind you.
I come with that guy. I come
Are you chill? Are you guys chill?
Heavy blue. Where's my-
Yo, Purple, watch out for CJJ. He's not chill.
freaking lucky, bro.
Guys, I glitched Steve
He's at
just in
gas
the
station.
game. I
Got you, bro. I got you.
in battle.
Yo, we should go up on top of the mountain. Let's go into the cave.
Who's that guy?
The cave? Under the
Going into
cave?
the cave.
How do we go under the cave?
Into.
Into, I bet that. Forget a sniper do not become very good.
Somebody shot at me?
Who?
It was a snipe, I think. I don't know where, or...
Yo, sniper.
Did you get taken damage?
What up, guys?
No, I'm alive. I'm good.
Oh, I see the other guy. He's on the roof. He's on the roof.
My King in Paradise skills are coming to
Yo,
him.
guys, y'all want a team? Wait, no. I'm asking if y'all want a team. Do y'all want a team? Do y'all want a team? No. Do y'all want a team?
Are you chill?
DJ Giggle Fart.
I wanna.
No, go away.
I'm at DJ Giggle Fart, bro.
Hi. Okay.
Me, sniper, bro. So where we going?
Dang it, he left.
I'm here.
Crack the guy's shield over on that house.
Somebody else.
You just jumped from the house.
I want a hammer. That's the first place. You got a sniper. Whoa.
Santa Hat, you chill?
Are you chill or are you not chill? Which one is it?
I have a